Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some amazing secrets to help you save big on your everyday expenses. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. We're talking about simple, practical strategies that can make a real difference in your wallet. Whether you're a seasoned saver or just starting your financial journey, these tips are designed to help you keep more of your hard-earned money. We'll be covering everything from tracking your spending to maximizing rewards programs and cutting down on unnecessary costs. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe, share, like, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our money-saving tips. Let's unlock those hidden savings and get started. Alright, let's dive right into the first step towards unlocking massive savings: tracking your spending. You can't expect to save money if you have no idea where it's going, right? Tracking your expenses is like putting on your financial glasses so you can see your money clearly. There are tons of ways to track your spending. You can use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB, which automatically categorize your transactions and give you a clear picture of your cash flow. If you're more of a pen and paper person, that works too. Grab a notebook, create a spreadsheet, or even just jot down your expenses on your phone. The key is to find a method that works for you and stick with it. Once you start paying attention to where your money is actually going, you'll be amazed by how many small, unnecessary expenses pop up. Tracking your spending helps you identify those little leaks in your budget so you can plug them up and redirect that money towards things that truly matter to you. Alright, let's move on to our next money-saving hack: buying in bulk. This is a classic strategy that can save you a ton of money on everyday essentials, especially if you plan strategically and take advantage of sales and discounts. Think about it. Items like toilet paper, rice, beans, pasta, these are all things you're going to need regardless. Buying them in bulk might seem like a larger upfront investment, but when you break down the cost per unit, you'll often find that you're paying significantly less compared to buying individual items. First, make sure you have enough storage space. Don't let bulk buying lead to clutter. Second, check the expiration dates, especially for perishable items. Combine bulk buying with coupons or cashback apps for even greater savings. Many stores offer digital coupons or loyalty programs that give you extra discounts on bulk purchases. Another great option for bulk buying is warehouse clubs like Costco or Sam's Club. Plan ahead, compare prices, and stock up on essentials to maximize your savings. Let's talk about one of my favorite ways to save money: coupons and cashback apps. Gone are the days of clipping coupons from newspapers. We're living in the digital age, and there are now incredible apps that do all the work for you. These apps are like having a personal assistant whose sole job is to find you the best deals and put money back in your pocket. Some of my favorite cashback apps include Rakuten, Ibotta, and Fetch Rewards. These apps are super easy to use. You simply browse through the available offers, activate the ones you want, and then shop as you normally would. Once you've made your purchase, the cashback automatically gets credited to your account. It's like getting paid to shop. Alright, let's be real for a second. Eating out is convenient, it's fun, and sometimes it's just necessary. But if you're serious about saving money, cooking at home is where it's at. Not only is it significantly cheaper than eating out, but it's also a great way to eat healthier and have more control over the ingredients in your food. Start by mastering a few simple, budget-friendly recipes. Things like stir-fries, soups, salads, and pasta dishes are all relatively quick and easy to make, and they won't break the bank. Another great tip is to meal prep. Spend a few hours on the weekend prepping ingredients or cooking meals in advance so you have grab-and-go options during the week. Remember, you don't have to be a gourmet chef to cook delicious and affordable meals at home. Start small, find recipes you enjoy, and make it a habit. Alright, let's talk about another area where you can unlock some serious savings: your utility bills. These recurring expenses might seem unavoidable, but there are actually a ton of simple and effective ways to reduce your consumption and lower your monthly costs. Switch to energy-efficient LED bulbs, which use significantly less energy and last much longer than traditional incandescent bulbs. And don't forget to turn off lights when you leave a room. Make sure your home is properly insulated to prevent drafts and heat loss. You can also invest in a programmable thermostat, which allows you to set different temperatures for different times of day, ensuring you're not wasting energy heating or cooling an empty house. Take shorter showers, fix any leaky faucets or toilets promptly, and consider installing low-flow shower heads and faucet aerators. Unplug electronics and appliances when not in use. Even when they're turned off, many devices continue to draw a small amount of electricity, known as phantom load. Be mindful of your consumption, adopt energy-efficient habits, and watch your monthly expenses shrink. There you have it! 5 powerful strategies to unlock hidden savings in your everyday life. Remember, building wealth isn't just about earning more, it's also about being smart with how you spend and save your money. These simple hacks might seem small individually, but when combined, they can have a significant impact on your finances, freeing up more money to invest, reach your financial goals, and live a more fulfilling life. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more money-saving tips and tricks. And as always, make sure to do your own research and find what works best for your unique financial situation.